insisted learning on a manual transmission because that's what I wanted to drive.
And I insisted I do that because I thought it had the coolest body style. $34,000 for that one. 1957 Porsche Speedster up there right now. But this, of course, is a recreation.
And that means a fiberglass body, not a steel body. With that said, a lot of modern goodies underneath. Got Olivia disc brakes, modern Weber-style carburetor, and it looks the part. Just completed, only break-in miles. Porsche Ivory is the color with a cognac interior, racing-style buckets, and a rather tweedy-looking carpet. What do they call it? German square weave carpet is what they call it. And, of course, cocoa mats for a vintage look. The banjo-style steering wheel, that's pretty authentic looking. And those banjo spokes in the steering wheel, those help cancel road vibration from reaching the driver's hands. You see them especially on a lot of British sports cars, and for good reason.
Tell you what, great build, bringing great money, worth of $55,000.
Twin carb engine, all beautifully detailed, and all very modern back here. So again, call this a resto mod if you will, but it's a car that's been built to resemble an iconic sports car from the past, but it's a lot more modern underneath.
Tell you what, they are loving this recreation. Right now it's the number 3 seller of the day. You know, if you want to go out and buy one of the originals, the real deal is going to cost you a lot more, and you're not likely going to drive it as much because you don't want to damage it. This, tell you what, you don't mind taking it out. Also, people come to the auction, they know exactly what they want. In this case, that gentleman knew exactly what he wanted. 1957 Porsche Speedster recreation, $66,000. Now, the number 3 seller.